like it's starting to die down a little bit. Got a lot of roof tabs laying here on the ground. Don't look too bad though. Get a few of them up. The rains are still coming down. Thought maybe they were quitting. It's still got some pretty gusty winds. There's some stuff blowing around, and I see a roof back here on the neighbor's little carport thing. Looks like it's picking up. Still fairly windy. I think that we got a couple more hours of this, and then it should start to get a little bit better. It's raining, but not as hard as it was. Yeah, this is the front side of the house. You see there's limbs skewed across the yard. The neighbor's little banana trees are laying over. That was a tree earlier. It showed that it came down. I want to take a look at the roof on this side, see what it looks like. See nothing down the street, but it looks like it's too bad. Let's walk out here a minute. Now the street looks pretty clear here. Then down that way, I see a car going down. I see nothing major as far as the roof goes over on this side. Look up the street here a little bit. Should have had shoes on. See some other people coming out. Well, the roof looks okay. Still a lot of wind, as you can see. I'm walking into it right now. It's like it's pretty gusty. You can barely walk forwards. So far, it looks like we did okay. Leaves plastered all over the road track. You know, a few more hours and I think this will start to calm down.